In physics, nothing moves until the applied force crosses a threshold. The same idea applies to learning. One lecture becomes 10, 10 become 100, and with enough consistency, something much bigger begins to take shape. That belief led to Pravega's YouTube channel. What began as an effort to make higher physics accessible to everyone has today grown into a community of over 120,000 learners with more than 4 million views and over 190,000 watch hours. But this channel was never just about the numbers. Every question asked, every doubt solved, and every student who trusted us became part of a growing community that believes physics is best understood through curiosity, not memorization. Today, that journey has reached an important milestone, our YouTube Silver Play button. Not as the finish line, but as a reminder that consistent effort always pays off. Our vision has been much bigger than numbers. Every lecture, every concept, and every discussion has been driven by one mission: to prepare students for their biggest academic challenges and help them compete on a global stage. If you're ready to begin your journey in higher physics, we'd love to welcome you to the Pravegaa family. Our new batches begin soon.